Got you. Popping the cover. It's over the sugar can. While making sure she has to cut the queen cell strap loose and hang on to it.
Got it?
Shake them down give them a tap so they all fall to the bottom, then flip it upside down. There you go. Now flip it upside down, get the can. You can't pull it out with the queen cage. The can will just fall out as soon as you get upside down. There you go. Hang on to the can and the cell.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Just set that up.
Oh.
Flip those, shake those off the can. Look in there and see if your queen's okay.
Yeah, she's fine.
Okay. Can you open up that cork on the end where the sugar is with your hive
This
tool?
one?
No, the other end.
Open this up.
Yep. Pop that cork out.
Is it going to come out?
Yeah, the cork will. That won't get it. You'll have to use the...
Huh?
Yeah, use that. Did the cork fall out?
Not yet. Oh, whoa. The thing broke.
Yeah, just bring the cork out.
Okay, got the cork out.
And spread apart the frames and set it in the middle there. With the end where the sugar's at tilted up just slightly.
Down this way. Okay.
Yeah, anywhere there in the middle.
And then you want it tilted up like this?
Just a slight tilt up. So you'll put it in there and then close the frames back on it.
Okay.
Where it's held in place.
Okay. It's
Now,
tilted up a little bit.
okay, perfect.
Ready to go?
Now you're ready to shake the bees in there.
I'm going to give them a little smoke.
There you go.
Come on, boys, go in. What are we doing with this one?
Set it aside. Take one of those boxes back there and set it.
Okay. This box right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
You want to put this on top?
Flip the cans over.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy, you're already getting on that one.
Oh, shoot. kind of leaning.
Make sure your box is centered there.
Okay. Yeah. And then those guys will go in, won't they?
Yep. Just sit right there in front of the entrance.
Over here?
Lean it where they can almost walk out. Set it. Yeah. Push it right up against that platform there, and they'll just walk right in there. Yeah.
Like that?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay. Now.
Good job.
Where's my
Way to
hive
go,
tool?
Susie.
Okay, hold on. Find my hive tool.